Tourism is often marketed as heavy industry for countries, especially in Southern Europe and small island nations. However, the evidence shows it is not a path to sustainable wealth. No historical precedent, not a single country in history, has become rich through tourism alone. Countries highly dependent on tourism face economic fragility. Tourism is seasonal, easily disrupted by economic crises. The economies stay locked into low wages, unstable job markets, and foreign-owned resorts that extract profits rather than invest in the local economy. Sustainable prosperity comes from producing goods, innovating, and expanding trade. Tourism can complement an economy, but it cannot be the backbone of national wealth. Countries should focus on building production capacity and strengthening trade. This is the engine that drives long-term prosperity. Kinisis Solutions can be your partner, providing consultation, automation, construction and maintenance services, taking your business to the next level.